Coriander roots are treasures. Don't throw them away. Hello, nice to see you again on Great Tips channel. Did you know that the most valuable part of coriander is the part that most of us usually throw away? While people only use the leaves and stems for cooking, the roots, seemingly useless, are a treasure trove of health benefits. Very few people know this, and perhaps after watching today's video, you will never look at coriander roots the same way again. Coriander roots contain higher levels of iron, vitamins, and calcium than the leaves. They have the ability to help reduce fever, improve digestion, detoxify the liver, boost immunity, and support weight loss. The characteristic pleasant aroma also helps remove the fishy smell of meat and makes the dish more flavorful. From kitchen waste, coriander roots can completely transform into a treasure that helps improve health and the flavor of meals. And the method is extremely simple. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language, comment below, and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. First, wash the roots. Prepare about 10 to 12 coriander roots and put them in a large bowl. Add enough water to cover the roots. If the roots are very dirty, rinse them briefly to remove excess soil. Then transfer them to another bowl of clean water. Now, take a little baking soda and add it to the bowl. Stir well to dissolve the baking soda. Since coriander roots are often covered with dirt and impurities, soaking them in baking soda will help soften the dirt, making them easier to clean later. It also helps remove residual pesticides effectively. Soak the roots for 10 minutes. After soaking, gently rub each root with your hands to remove impurities. You will see the dirt come off easily, revealing the bright white roots. Rinse several times with clean water until the water is completely clear. Place the roots on a cutting board. Use a knife or pestle to lightly crush them to help release beneficial compounds into the water and shorten the cooking time, thereby retaining more nutrients. Where are you from? It's great to know we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Thanks for your support. Place the crushed roots in a clean pot. Add 400 milliliters of water. Cover and bring to a boil over high heat. Once the water boils, reduce the heat to low, ideally keeping the water at around 70 degrees Celsius. Avoid overboiling as this will destroy many of the nutrients. You will feel the pleasant, distinctive aroma of coriander spreading throughout the kitchen, creating a relaxing and cozy feeling. Simmer for 10 minutes. Then, turn off the stove. Open the lid. Pour the water into a cup. Wait until it cools down or reaches room temperature and drink. This water helps relieve bloating, indigestion, and other digestive problems. In addition, it helps cleanse the body and supports liver function. Due to its cooling properties, it helps cool the body naturally and can help reduce fever, especially in young children. Coriander roots contain many vitamins and minerals that help strengthen the immune system. Especially vitamin A helps protect the eyes, very good for the elderly or people with vision problems. So don't throw it away, it's a waste! Take advantage of coriander roots to turn them into valuable remedies to protect the health of the whole family. Next, I will guide you how to reuse coriander roots to grow new plants. First, choose intact, undamaged large roots with many small roots for better growth. When planting, do not cut close to the base, but leave a little stem for new shoots to grow. If you see damaged or soggy leaves, remove them. Keep the coriander roots separate. Take a glass, add some water, and place all the coriander roots in the glass. Make sure the water is not too high, avoiding submerging the stems as this may cause rot. Place the glass in a cool, airy place for 2 days. If it is cold, move it to a warmer place. After the first day, you will see small shoots starting to emerge. By the second day, new leaves will grow taller. Some of the outer stems may rot or wilt, but this will not affect the plant's ability to grow. Next, I will show you how to grow coriander in a styrofoam box for those who want to have vegetables to eat all year round. Then remove the coriander roots from the glass. You can make use of a styrofoam box, pour soil in. You can get fertile soil from the mountains or order nutritious soil online for convenience. Then plant the coriander roots, remembering to bury the roots deep, leaving the stems exposed. Coriander does not require good soil, has few pests and diseases, and is easy to care for. Because of its distinctive smell, you can plant it on the balcony, which is both beautiful and repels insects. After planting, water it with a little water called root water to help the plant adapt. After 7 days, water it with diluted fertilizer and water. If you keep the sprouts like I did, you can start harvesting them in parts after just a few days. Leave the jar in a cool, well-ventilated area for 2 days. If it is cold, move it to a warmer location. After about 3 days, the roots will start to take hold of the soil. At this point, you can move the plant to a more sunny location to grow well. After a week, you will see the plant growing healthily. More leaves, taller plants, ready to harvest. Try and enjoy the wonderful taste of homegrown coriander. If you have a lot of coriander roots, wash them and dry them thoroughly in the sun. When dry, they will give off a very pleasant characteristic aroma. Prepare a clean glass jar with a lid, making sure there is no oil or water. Put the dried roots in the jar. Close the lid tightly. Store in a dry place away from sunlight. This way, you can preserve the roots for 1 year. Can be used as fresh roots. When opening the lid, the characteristic aroma of coriander is very pleasant. When needed, take about 10 grams, equivalent to 9 to 12 dried coriander roots. Put the roots in a clean cup. Use about 400 milliliters of boiling water. Cover the cup or pot. Soak for 15 minutes. In addition to drinking as tea, you can use the roots to marinate grilled meat. Or, when cooking broth, stew, you can add coriander roots to cook with spices such as ginger, onions to enhance the flavor. After 15 minutes, open the lid and stir well. The water will be light yellow-green. If you feel heavy, tired when waking up, have a bitter mouth, dull skin, or cloudy urine, add half a lemon after the water has cooled. Stir well and drink in the morning, 30 minutes before eating. Use continuously for 5 to 7 days. You will feel your body lighter, healthier, and your skin will be noticeably brighter. Coriander roots help open the detox valve gently and naturally. They also have a mild diuretic effect and help improve blood circulation, so you will feel a clear difference. If you have the above problems, try applying it. Really effective and practical. So, we have just discovered the benefits and ways to utilize coriander roots that are both simple and extremely useful. Which of them surprised you the most? Share it in the comments section so everyone can try it. If you know any other cool ways to utilize coriander roots, don't hesitate to reveal them. I'm always eager to learn more from you. If you find the video useful, remember to like and subscribe to the Great Tips channel so you don't miss out on small but powerful tips like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next interesting videos.